everybody, it's Jenny Hazeltine here with American Import Auto. Follow along with us today as we celebrate Employee Appreciation Day, because we all know you don't have to celebrate on the exact day to know you have the best team and celebrate them every day. So join us. We have Gold Rush BBQ Catering. Thank you so much. Please support their business. And we are also celebrating 4 birthdays. We have Wade, Mo, Mark, and Chris Thompson. So follow along with us and we'll see you around.